Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogrozinski, your writing instructor for the semester. I want to take this opportunity to offer this video tutorial on how to use Google Drive this semester. I teach multiple sections of writing at 2 different community colleges. So the basic instructions apply to each institution regardless of the learning management system. So I just want to demonstrate, and I'm not sure if everybody is aware, how to go about using Google Drive. For example, here I am in my personal Drive account right now and logged in as Jim Ogrozinski at Gmail. However, you can create a school email and account. So I've got one account here, as you can see, for College of DuPage, where I do teach, and also at Moraine Valley. So the idea here is you can set up a Google account and a Google Drive account with your school email if you do not wish to use your personal Gmail or Google Drive account. That is totally doable. There should be tutorials and videos out on YouTube about that. So you can take that first step. Now, in every course, at every institution, whether it's in Blackboard at College of DuPage or in Canvas at Moraine Valley, in your course unit here, modules for Canvas in Moraine Valley, click into unit number 0 and look for the Google Drive instructions. So here I list the Google Drive instructions, and it'll be similar in Canvas. And I have a link to this specific course's course folder. If I click on the link here, it will take me to the Google Drive shared folder here for English 1101 VCM 01. Your particular section will be labeled as such. This is just an example. And you can see that within this particular course folder, I already have an exercise folder set up, an assignment folder. So all you have to do here is right-click on the folder, and you want to click on Add Shortcut to Drive. So if you click on that, it'll look for your drive. Now, this will be your drive that you are intending to use. You should create one if you want to use one with your school address, or you can open up your own Google Drive. So I have opened up my personal drive, right? So I want to add that to my drive. And it says add shortcut. All right, so now I've added the shortcut to my personal drive. So if I go to my drive, here is the shortcut for English 1102 and the section number. It's really straightforward. Double click on this in my own personal drive, and it'll take me right to the course folder. So the same can be said for Canvas. If you look in modules, unit 0, where's my Google Drive instructions? Right here. Same process will happen. So I'm clicking on the course folder. Here's one of my COM 102 courses. I am going to right click and add shortcut to my drive, add shortcut. And once again, if I get to my drive, let's see where my drive is. All right, let me get to my drive here. Close out some of these folders. Now you can see here in my drive, I have the English 1102 and the COM 102 courses in my drive. Really simple. Then all you have to do is drop your documents or go to your Drive account, click on the shortcut. It'll take you right to the course folder, and here's where you can upload your assignments to the specific assignment folder in Drive. And this is how we will use Drive this semester. So I hope this has not confused everybody, but the idea here is just to explain how easy it is to use Google Drive. Always look for the Google Drive instructions. You will find a link to the course folder. In fact, they may even upload the course folder links to several locations within your particular learning management system. If you have any questions, send me an email. Good luck.